Let's talk about Azure resources and how to manage them. So what is a resource? Is manageable item that's available throughout Azure. Example of resources include virtual machines, storage accounts, web apps, database, virtual networks, resource groups, subscription management groups, and tags are also resources. Manage. So we use Azure Resource Manager is the deployment and management service for Azure. It provides a management layer that helps you to create, update, and delete resources in your Azure account. Use management features like access control, logs, and tags to secure and organize your resource after deployment. So how it looks? So it's resources or web app machines. So we have resource manager. We need to authenticate to it, so to have permissions. So and how we can interact using Portal, PowerShell, CLI, REST clients, etc. So resource group a container that holds a related resources to an Azure solution. The resource group includes those resources that you want to manage as a group. So you can put resources by purpose or by type. So how it looks like, so we have resources on lower layer, then we have resource groups where we can group by application, by environment, for example. This resource group we put into subscription. Subscription is in one hand, this is container for resource groups. In other hand, this is payment and access entity. So, and we can this subscription combine into management groups. So let's review. So management groups, if your organization has many Azure subscription, this is I told, you might need a way to efficiently manage access, policies, and compliance for those subscriptions. So access, policies, and compliance. Management groups provide a governance scope above subscription. When you organize subscription into management groups, the governance conditions that you apply cascade by inheritance to all associated subscriptions. So as for other providers like Google and AWS, so higher level, some policies, and it inherited by lower levels. So what the top is Tenant. Tenant is something like Microsoft Entra ID. So it contains management groups contains subscription contains resource group, and resources on the lowest level. So tenant, so Entra ID, so it contains user groups and application. It's like organization. So tenant on top level, then management groups. We have groups, and this group contains subscription contains resources groups, and resources groups contains resources. So management group is the origin root tenant. Permissions and policies applied to a management group will flow to all Azure resources below it, including subscription and resource groups. Subscription are then assigned to a management group, serving as both a management layer and a billing mechanism. So I mentioned that subscription is management level, security level, and billing mechanism. Resource groups are the unit from where we provision Azure resources. Usually we use a resource group for a project or department team, and resources are mentioned. So everything is free, but subscription is payable resource. So subscription are payable. Without subscription you cannot create any resource. Tenant ID it's free. Other resources are included in subscriptions. So management groups can include multiple other subscription inherit condition applied to the management group. 100 management groups can be supported in a single directory. A management group can support up to 6 levels of depth. So what showed here, where it is, what is that picture? So yes, levels, we have many levels, 6 levels in depth. So this is one level, this is next one, additional one, so up to 6th.